Hey guys, probably put this video on our Nature and Environment in Japan playlist. We've showed you videos before of company employees outside their companies weeding gardens and picking up rubbish and that sort of thing. Here's another example of that, and these are actually hospital administration staff. So they've had this one day a month where they all get outside and get the gardening tools and their gloves and their rubbish bags and pull weeds and cut weeds and pick up rubbish and tidy the place up. Very common. We see this in Japan all the time, and they're wearing whatever they usually wear. So the guys that usually wear suits and ties are wearing suits and ties, and whatever they normally wear inside in their administration jobs, they just wear that outside. So you'll often go past companies in Japan, you'll see people in suits out on the street pulling weeds and putting weeds in rubbish bags, and of course everybody does it. So when they're all doing it, they're all doing it. They all get out there and do it with a good spirit. No one complains. No one talks about demarcation. Anyway, there's that. More videos coming soon.